Hi, this is Raj from Sportscars. I've got a 2009 Porsche 911 Carrera S. It's a 997 Gen 2 Coupe, finished in Basalt Black Metallic. Being the 997 Gen 2, it's got the 3.8 DFI direct fuel injection engine, so it doesn't suffer any of the issues of earlier 911s, such as IMS failures, RMS leaks or bore scoring. Looks absolutely amazing in this sort of stealth look. It has 19-inch sport design alloy wheels finished in metallic black as well, to match the metallic black basalt paintwork. We've just fitted new discs and pads all round, so you can see there. It's fitted with Pilot Sport 4S's Michelins, which are regarded as the best tyres for the 997 generation cars. Perfect balance of grip and long-term wear as well. It's got bi-xenon headlights, LED daylight running lights and LED rear lights as well. Now you might notice it's sitting quite low. It's actually got the H&R lowering springs. I don't know if I can show them here in this video. No, they're blue springs. They lower the car, I think it's 30 mil. It's also fitted with wheel spacers, so the wheels sit perfectly in the wheel arches as well, so it's really been set up properly to look great and also handle great as well. As you can see, the paintwork's in great condition. There's hardly any chips or anything on the car, no scrapes. Now on the inside it is black extended leather, so leather on the doors, on the dash. Now I'll just go through some of the options. So it's got hardback sport seats, which are in great condition. There's the rear seats. It's also fitted with Bose, so it has the extra subwoofer behind the rear seats and all the extra speakers, so it's got all the ones in the doors, the 3 in the dash. But look, it's also got basalt black center console, and also the PDK surround is basalt black. Now normally they would be this sort of matte black plastic, so that's a really nice touch. It's got a Sport Chrono package plus, so it's got the stopwatch on the dashboard, and this is a 7-speed PDK ZF box car, so it's semi-automatic, fully automatic or manual. And so it's got Sport Plus PASM, spoiler up and the traction control off button, full climate control, heated seats as well, you can see the buttons just here. And it's got full sat nav with Bluetooth connectivity, and it's a touch screen sat nav as well. Obviously radio CD player as well, and it will play DVDs when you're not moving. It's also got the audio interfaces there, which actually there's a little module you can get to make it full Bluetooth audio streaming as well. I think it's about £20. I've actually got one myself. It's fitted also with cruise control, so it's that extra stalk there. Obviously leather steering wheel with the PDK shift paddles there, and it's covered 67,739 miles. It's 4 previous owners. We've just serviced it. We've had a major service done, including spark plugs, belt, the auxiliary belt, and brake fluid change, as well as those brake discs and pads all round. So this car is literally good to go and essentially have maintenance, well, hopefully maintenance free enjoyment for 2 years. So we've just had it serviced, so the next service is due in March 2023. We've just had it MOT'd as well, so the next MOT is due 3rd of March 2022. But everything works as it should. It's got black Alcantara headlining. Obviously no sunroof specified with this car. Everything's in great condition, as you can see. There's the fuel filler, it's all good in there. There's the front boot. There's a Bosch battery under there. And all the tools and everything are as they should be behind this section here. So you've got tyre gel, tools, towing eye, and you've got the tyre inflator, which works off the 12-volt system. There is no locking wheel bolt because this car has got no locking wheel nuts. Basically because it's fitted with wheel spacers, it's got different bolts, so it needed longer bolts, so there's no locked one, as it were. But for peace of mind, you could get some locking wheel bolts. So there is the passenger side. It's a glove box, CD storage. It's the cup holders. There it is from this side as well. So as I said, it's the 3.8 litre flat 6, 385 horsepower, I believe 310 foot-pound of torque, and because this has got Sport Chrono Package Plus with the ZF 7-speed gearbox, it will accelerate 0.4 seconds quicker to 60, so it does 60 miles an hour from 0 in 4.3 instead of around 4.7. So very, very quick car. Very quick car indeed. As I said, it looks absolutely stunning in this black. So yeah, there you have it. 2009 Porsche 911 Carrera S, 997 Gen 2, 67,000 miles on the clock, 4 previous owners, and full Porsche and specialist service history. If the car's of interest to you, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.